And we're filming.
I hate you guys. What happened?
Sam, get back. Sam.
Are you doing something to the camera? Are you making mean? Are you saying mean things? Are you mouthing mean things?
I'm not mouthing anything. Just put on some nail polish.
Oh, Scott.
Have you seen Avatar: The Last Airbender?
Yeet! Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Yay! Hello!
Don't be cut by the mineral. Okay, shut up or you're out.
When you commit arson. Don't put that in the blooper reel.
Okay, we good? I can fix this with the power of editing. And also having a really good blooper roll.
Let's just give him a moment. He's just dying in the corner there.
I don't know why I can't stop laughing.
He's crying
now.
Why are you crying?
What is funny?
I am crippling to.
Ow.
You're ruining the take, Sam.
I think
I'm ruining the take. Democracy isn't real. True democracy has never been tried. Okay. This is a acetylene gas experiment. Now start that again. That is not English.
this is acetylene gas.
England's time.
You're gonna blame that one on me?
No, of course not. That was me being dumb.
Depends what the time is.
Okay, you have one last chance and then you're out.
It's 19 past 4.
Let's go.
Okay. I'll sing that audio up.
Are you ready to actually
Yes,
do this?
of course I am.
Then, okay.
Can we start recording? Yes. Okay.
We need more gloves. Don't put that next to my camera equipment.
Don't put the camera equipment next to my poison.
What does that make us?
Absolutely nothing. Okay.
Which is what you are about to become.
Okay, that's probably enough.
It made a cool noise.
Yeah, we're not. Okay, Nettie, you can do yours. Mate, stop filming. This is incriminating.
Hey Nettie, when you plus?
When you world. When Zambreros.
Can you please stop?
Right.
I'm gonna get a chair. I'm just gonna like sit and watch you guys fuck around while I record
we need to
it.
do this.
Yo.
Gamers!
Shut up! Right, are you recording?
Yes.
Oh fuck. Okay.
Oh, idiot man!
You're the idiot.
Oh.
You're really disrupting me in my learning. Don't go near me or my child ever again.
You don't have a child.
I'm 43. I'm gonna use the lip. There's quite a lot of calcium carbide in here. This is probably dangerous. Don't. I'm actually not using all of it because fuck. Oh shit!
Are you actually gonna light that?
That might set off the smoke alarm.
Fuck.
Yeah, it's gonna keep burning for like ages. I might.
I think that, to be fair, I did not ruin that cake.
That's a great. Oh no, it's on the. Okay, it's off now.
Okay, it stopped burning. I'm not lighting that again.
I think you should.
Okay, and then you just have to say. Oh god, there's soot everywhere.
Wait, do they use acetylene in fireworks?
No.
Smells like it. It smells like gunpowder.
Did they see that one?
Did you see any of that? No. Okay.
Good. Okay, I need gloves. Okay.
Wait, does he one of your teeth? Does he?
Wee! I have the bubble.
Hey, can I see? Wait, can I see the explosion on there again?
This is still one take.
Wait, are you still? Did you continue filming?
Okay, I'm checking this outside. Oh, it smells bad.
Okay, so when Ben came here, we set fire to the sink.
Wait, what?
How
Matter.
That's not very democracy of you.
Fuck democracy.
Democracy isn't real. True democracy has never been tried. Okay.
You can't fiddle with stuff. Right.
Just drop it on the ground.
If it takes us 5 minutes
Thank
to
you.
start the take, you're also
Okay.
out.
Okay.
It doesn't seem lined up right, it's sort of off to the side.
Well, isn't on.